guys, welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, welcome. And if you're here with me all along, thank you so much for sticking and staying with me. So guys, we are going to make a drink today with apple, ginger, and if anybody know what this is, write it in the comment section. This is parsley. So we're going to add a small amount of parsley and some apples and ginger. But guys, I'm going to add something at the end of the video, so you have to stay around to see what that is that goes with this, and it makes it so refreshing. But that is the last bit. So guys, let's wash our ingredients and get straight back and start making our juice. And of course today we are using our Covin Auto 10. So we have washed our parsley and I'll pack it here. And as for the ginger, I'm gonna cut it up. And this is going to be so good for ginger fight inflammation. And guys, I always take a little piece and chew it up. It goes straight to the gut, which is nice. I am afraid the ginger to clog my juicer, so I always, if you follow this step, you can't go wrong. I always put the ginger in and then put the apple after, and that do a great job. So we're gonna put our ginger in this little bowl, and of course guys, you know the apple that I always pour them. So let's pour a few on camera, and I'll do the rest off camera. Oh, we don't even have plenty apples to pour, so I'll just do maybe 4 and do the rest off camera. Hope you all could see what I was doing. So I didn't pour 2 of them. I'll pour it off camera. And of course, let's look at the inside of our cucumbers. And this helps to clean you and hydrates your body. So now don't forget, that I'm going, at the end of the video, I'm going to be putting something in, so stick and stay. So let's set up our juicer and start the juicing. So we can, ooh, I think I should break one of them. Hold on, let me snap it. So let's see how much more can go in. So we have some apple and some ginger left, so let's start our juicing. So let's see how much more can go in. So we have some apple and some ginger left, so let's start our juicing. So guys, look at the mixing bowl. As you can see, the ginger is coming in, and you know that ginger helps with inflammation. And now it's a cold season. I drink a lot of ginger, but I like it when it is fresh, not when it makes a tea. So this drink hydrates you, flush out excess toxin, and it has a dose of essential vitamin and antioxidant. Parsley and cucumber both act as a mild natural diuretic, encouraging the kidney to flush out waste products and excess water. So let's put a piece of cucumber in the top and look at how this machine is been crushing and squeezing. It also helps to lower blood pressure and help to balance the fluid in the body. This drink is also high in vitamin K, and anyone that is on blood thinner medication should consult the doctor before having this drink. You can take out the parsley if you want. So for the kidney health, the parsley and the cucumber can mildly alter the fluid balance individual, which anybody that's taking kidney medication and some have chronic disease should just go easy on this drink, not take too much of it. And do your own research, guys. Now our mixing bowl is full and you know what we are gonna do. So now we're gonna let out our first batch of juice. Look at that. So guys, I'm gonna put the rest of the apple and the ginger in before I start juicing again. And this is so lovely. Put more ginger in. Put the apples in and let's go again. So apple a day keep the doctor away, and as you can see, the cucumber is being crushed and squeezed and everything is going in the mixing bowl, and we have such a lovely combination of juice. Parsley also reduce bloating and preventing a formation of kidney stones. So this drink is a powerhouse also, but I urge everyone to do your own research. Now, a special shout out to Southern Cross over in Bali. He watch my channel and I watch his channel. Big up yourself. So guys, run on over and give some support. So here we have our apple, and look at that, guys. So let me test the trash. This is coming out nicely. Look at that. And trust me, I would love for some of my subscribers to taste some of this juice. I do a lot of research and I try and come with something different every week, because it is so good when you can do your own research and come with something. So our mixing bowl is full, I should say. So now we're gonna let out our second batch of juice. Wow, look at that. And all the ingredients that I use have a lot of health benefit, boost the immune system and help with oxidative stress. So guys, let's finish off what's in the juicer. The time is so cold and I have to keep my body on all these healthy drinks. So guys, I'm gonna stop the juice and add the last bit of fruit. I've added the last amount of ingredients, so we're gonna start our juicer. And it is best to drink your freshly pressed juice as soon as possible. Shake well if settlement occurs before drinking, so you can get everything to give your gut a good start for the day. So guys, I drink this juice 4 times for the week. So I hope you all will try making this juice and also invest in a good juicer. And of course today we are using the Cuvin Auto 10. Next week I'm going to use the Cuvin Revo A30. So ginger and parsley, and guys, do your own research. make a very good anti-inflammatory juice. It also helps to aid in digestion. So do your own research, try and play around with fruits and come up with some ideas, which is good. We're gonna let out our third batch of juice. Look at this. Of course, you know I'm gonna mix that one with this one to even it out with the color. One is a lighter green. So now we are gonna serve our drink. So we are going to mix our drink together so everything will taste the same. Okay, so now we are gonna serve our drink, but we're gonna put a little bit of ice in, and there's a reason for the ice. So now we are gonna add some natural sugar cane that I purchased in the city. That's what we're gonna use, and we're gonna pour this on it. That's what we're gonna do. Wow, look how lovely that is. So guys, let me put a little bit of parsley. Like, comment and share. See you in our next video. I'm gonna top it off with a little more sugar cane. That is if you want it a little bit sweet. So this is natural sugar cane. I'll put a little clip in the video when I went to the market today. It's freshly done, and purchase it to add it to this drink. So see you in the next one. Like and share. Leave something in the comment, and I hope you will try this drink out. Bye for now. So let me just show you where I get the cane juice from, and it's organic. Cane, see how it's coming out. Such a bar for $8. So we're gonna go now.